Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my Target beauty boxes with you guys. This is the Sonia Kashuk box. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry about that. I waited almost 2 weeks to get this box. I waited almost like a week and a half to get the regular Target beauty box. But this one took 2 weeks. I finally got it yesterday and I'm very excited about it. Because that means I got some new brushes. Let me see, I dropped something out of the box. It's like I'm always dropping everything. So inside you get your little card. It says hello makeup must-haves. And then little things about the items that comes in the box and your coupon. Okay, so here's the inside. The first thing is the Sonia Kashuk tweezers. I looked these up online, and Target sells these for $10, so you've already covered your box with one thing. Now, if I can get the tweezers out. So they're just gold plated, and everything's got numbers. These are number 714, and they're just like little regular slanted tweezers. Hopefully they work good. I did read some reviews, and they seemed to have good reviews. So we are going to move on to the next thing. And the next thing is the Sonia number 224, and it is a angle eyeshadow brush. I don't know where I got eyeliner at. I must be losing it. So it doesn't come with the number on the brush itself. They do come in these little, it does have it on the little case, but you know, most women aren't going to keep up with these. That's a fact. It's got a pretty wide angle tip to it. But finally, I cleaned about 200 brushes the last couple days, because I finally just decided all my brushes was dirty and it was just time to clean them. So the next thing is a number 163. It is a blush brush. Okay, so this pops out. It's just a regular brush. They are very soft. I think these will be good brushes. I'm hoping, because I've been saving up. Really, I think I'm just going to go ahead and buy the Morphe brushes. I'm not really for sure. I need new brushes. The next thing is the Sonia quick dry makeup wipes to clean your brush wipes. And you got 3 of these. Now I have all kinds of these. I've never actually used them. I don't know. I should like put them out on the vanity and maybe remember to use them. Maybe my brushes would be semi-clean sometimes. Okay, so the last thing in the box is the makeup blender. Now I was really excited about this one. I just got a new beauty blender, but I was really excited about getting this. Okay, so wet blender to prevent excess, absorb a product, and also allow for more sheer coverage. So hopefully it's like a regular beauty blender, because I could use an extra beauty blender. I don't know. It's, as you can see, you can squish it pretty good. The texture of it, I don't know. I think these retail for $7, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think the blush brush is $10, and if I'm not mistaken, I think the eyeshadow blush was $7, and I'm not sure about the wipes. So all in all, you get your money, way worth your money. The most exciting thing I was about, this was my favorite product, then the brushes, and then the tweezers, and then the wipes. So that is everything that came in the box. What was your guys' favorite thing? Just let me know down in the comments. And thank you guys for watching, and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a good day.